Most people use only one reward app and make the same mistake. They rely completely on a single platform, then wonder why their earnings feel slow. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some apps actually pay better than InboxDollars depending on your location, the offers available, and how you use them. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 apps like InboxDollars that are still paying users in 2026. We'll cover what each app does best, how people make money on them, and which one could fit your style better. Let's jump straight into number 1. The first app is FreeCash. This platform has become extremely popular because of its high-paying offers, fast withdrawals, and gaming rewards. Many users prefer it over InboxDollars for app testing and game promotions. For example, Alex from California earned more from one mobile game offer on FreeCash than several days of surveys elsewhere. Now here's where it gets interesting. FreeCash also supports multiple withdrawal methods including PayPal, crypto, and gift cards, which gives users more flexibility. But here's the problem. High-paying offers sometimes require more time or specific milestones before rewards unlock. Beginners often quit too early before completing the requirements properly. The second app is Swagbucks. This is one of the biggest names in the reward space and offers surveys, cashback shopping, app offers, and gift cards. This is where most people fail with Swagbucks. They focus only on surveys instead of cashback deals and promotional offers, which usually pay much better. In a minute, I'll show you the app many users think is easiest for beginners. The third app is Misplay. Unlike InboxDollars, Misplay mainly rewards users for playing mobile games. If you already spend time gaming, this can feel much more enjoyable than answering surveys all day. Jake from Texas used Misplay casually during weekends and redeemed multiple gift cards simply from games he already enjoyed playing. The fourth app is Rewarded Play. This app works similarly to Misplay, but focuses heavily on mobile gaming rewards. Many users like it because the interface feels simple and beginner-friendly. Now here's where it gets even more important. Rewarded Play tends to work best for people who already enjoy puzzle games, card games, or casual mobile gaming. If you hate gaming, it probably won't feel worth your time. The fifth app is Survey Junkie. This platform focuses mostly on surveys and market research. It's more straightforward than some reward apps because it doesn't overload users with gaming offers or cashback systems. But here's the thing. Survey platforms can become frustrating because disqualifications happen frequently. That's why experienced users often combine multiple apps instead of depending on one platform alone. Another smart strategy is using different apps for different strengths. Some apps are better for gaming rewards, while others work better for cashback shopping or surveys. So here's the bottom line. FreeCash, Swagbucks, Misplay, Rewarded Play, and Survey Junkie are some of the best alternatives to InboxDollars in 2026. The best choice depends on whether you prefer surveys, gaming, cashback shopping, or app testing offers. If you've tried any of these apps before, comment below with your favorite one and biggest payout so far. And if this list helped you discover better reward apps, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest online earning reviews and tutorials.